Hello, 8th grade. I am excited about today's tech lesson because it's moving us into our next step of engineering. We are actually going to be, as 8th grade engineers, designing an engineering project that we believe can continue to improve upon Holy Cross. And the ultimate goal is to then create this engineering project as a gift from the 8th grade class prior to your graduation. Step one is to come up with problem areas or strengthened areas that we can grow upon. So you will be creating a blog about this idea. As you can see in Edmodo, you have a new assignment, the Blogger Engineering blog, and it has all of your requirements within it. If I were you, I would take these requirements, highlight them all, and then press Control, Command Copy, and then of course Control or Command Paste whenever you get into your blog so that you know what it is that you want to do. Now once you've logged into your Blogger account, you may want to create a whole new blog that has a title related to engineering in some way, shape, or form. If you want to just stay within your normal homework blog page, that's fine too. Then you click on that title and you say New Post. Okay. If you wanted a new blog, you would have said new blog back before. Your post title can be anything that you want, but it needs to relate to problems and solutions, potential engineering projects, something along those lines. So first step is identifying the problem. Okay, and then I'm going to come in here and press Command V or Control V to paste in my requirements so I don't forget what they are. When I finish with my blog, of course I will not keep those requirements posted here. However, while I'm writing it, it will be nice to be able to refer back to it and make sure that I have all of these things. Like, for example, I want to start my blog with comments about the strengths and general environment of Holy Cross. We have a lot of strength. Don't start off with negativity. That doesn't make our school sound good. Make us sound good first. Then problems within Holy Cross, at least 3. You can have more. If you focus on one, then obviously there's not a chance to really grow and go outside the box. Potential solutions to those problems, at least one for each problem. Pictures to clarify your problems and propose solutions. And of course, proper grammar and spelling. On Edmodo 2, I clarified that they don't always need to be problems. If you think we have a strength at Holy Cross, like a great outdoor environment, and you want to grow upon that great outdoor environment, that would be perfectly fine as well. And so you can grow upon a strength because that's part of engineering. That's part of growing, is making your strengths stronger. Notice you do have a potential bonus by adding a live link to a video that you feel enhances your blog. And I will show you how to do those things today. So when you're creating your blog, obviously you know that you can start typing. You can use normal font, heading font, subheading font, minor heading. And so if you were starting with heading, you could say, start with a heading of Holy Cross Rocks or whatever. And that's where you could then start typing about what makes Holy Cross so great. Other things that you're going to want to do, of course, or potentially going to want to do within it is add a photo. Now, adding a photo is very simple and very similar to a lot of the ways that we've done it in the past. First, I'm going to press Command T to get a new tab. You can do the same by pressing Control T if you're on a PC. And I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to search playground equipment. If I think that we need better playground equipment, I should post a picture of what I like. So then I'll go to Images, and there's tons, and obviously this is really awesome, so this is the one that I'm going to choose. I'll press Control, copy image address. Then I'll go back to my Blogger, and I'm going to go to Images, and I can say Upload from URL, and then I can press Command V or Control V, and I can add selected, and before you know it, that picture is in there. Now, to do things to that picture, I can just simply click on it to move it around to where I want. I can choose my picture size, small, medium, large, extra large, and I can add a caption. This playground would be ideal, but is too expensive. And I want to remind you of our focus is that we want to develop an engineering project that we can potentially create as an 8th grade engineering class. So again, I wouldn't call this realistic, but I'm just showing you how to upload a picture. Now, if you wanted to go for the above and beyond and add a link in that either makes your blog more interesting, more funny, or just shows us more thoroughly of whatever it is that you're experiencing, as you're typing about why Holy Cross rocks, our school is a great place that has a lot of fun. On that new tab, I could go and I could say, so up here then I'm going to come up and I will say kids playing or something along those lines to find videos of kids having fun and playing. And so say that I've previewed these videos and I know they're having a lot of fun and it looks like kids at Holy Cross and all of that good stuff. Again, then we'll take this URL and I will highlight it all and then I will say command copy or control copy on a PC and I'll come back to here and I'm going to then, let me move my screen so you can see everything. Then I'm going to make sure that I highlight my word fun and I'll click on the word link. In the link I want, I'm going to press Control V or Command V to paste that link back in. Notice the word that's going to be shown is still going to be the word fun. But if you click on the word fun, it will take you to this video. And so I just say, and I have opened this link in a new window. That's what I want to happen. So I'll say OK. And now fun is a link to that video to show kids having fun. There are many other ways you can edit and revise your blog to make it look good. Feel free to edit and play around with Blogger as much as you want to make sure that it looks the way that you want. However, when you finish this blog post and you are ready to turn it in, what you need to do, of course, is say publish. And so when you're ready to publish it, you go to publish. And as it goes, and you can share it with people. Mine's currently public, which is what I want, and you can add comments if you want. You can do lots of different things. But when I say the first step to identifying the problem, I can click on View then, and I will view it in its live link. And this is what my blog currently looks like. Obviously, this is not a blog that I would want published right now, but that's okay. Up here then, I will copy that link. I would go back to Edmodo, and I would press Turn In. Now, obviously, I can't turn it in because I'm sending this to you, but you would press Turn In. Once you press Turn In, there's a link button down below, and you can click on that link and then paste that link into your post, and your blog title should come up, and you can attach the link directly there. So I ask that you please turn in this assignment with your link. If you cannot finish it during the class period today, that is acceptable, but you do need to have your blog post finished before next Tuesday because you'll be using your blogs in next week's tech lesson. Good luck, have fun, and be creative. Thank you.